then you look like you're on highway patrol.
Discount shopping. Oh, those are going to be the newest hair accessory. Just wait a bit. I swear, I'm going to start that trend. Sticking those things in their eyeballs.
Hey, everybody, all the crap stores are closing up, so we better leave.
Mommy just kicked up dust in my food. Look it, it's like and then Cole thinks he's all cool. I got shoes. Shoes. These got flip-flops. Shoes. Shoes. These shoes roll. These shoes suck.
I got Converse.
Shoes. You did? What color?
Neon green.
Oh my gosh, I got neon yellow. Are they high tops or not?
No, and on the inside they're neon pink and part of it's neon yellow.
Pretty. I got neon yellow. Well, I got bright yellow Converse, and I got like check marks.
We're gonna die by a Mustang.
That's the way to go. That is the way to go.
No, the way to go is getting hit by.
Yard sales are welcome. Why don't we just come here to sell everything?
Yeah.
Because nobody ever comes in Stonebridge. West Virginia Mountaineers.
Look at that. I was like, yeah.
Why you gotta take it? I gotta find it. Yeah, Mom remembers that was her first cell phone. No, it's a phone thing. Oh, that's an old phone. Don't touch it, Cole. I'm kind of bored now. I got blue hair. Blue and red hair. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Alright, I feel amazing now. Why? Because I took out my ponytail. Can I do like the glamorous shake your hair thing? Oh, yep. I know the glamorous life that involves being a pothead. Fun!
Sorry, Mom.
Yeah, so you laughed. That means you're a bad child. Not me.
Hey, what's with the giant...
Aren't you wearing a hat that's sponsored by Tiger Woods?
Nike?
Oh, you fail.
Oh.
You fail. You like Tiger Woods.
Is that a laser clear?
Where?
Right in front of you? To the left?
I don't think so. No.
No, but that's the mark from Six Flags. What? That I should buy for Sam. Sam.
Wait, this
No! Yes, totally the skull for Sam. That.
Yeah,
Because Sam plays saxophone. I'm gonna tag him just so she can see and be like, look what I almost bought you.
What's that?
50 cents.
50 cents, girl.
I don't have that. Batman! Oh my gosh! Yeah, that would be a way. That would be a really cool way to meet Sam.
Next soccer game.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what happens if I do this? Like, you don't have to.
Mom, they have Batman. Batman.
What?
Batman. I love Batman.
Barney. Batman.
Barney. We see Barney. You see Batman?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not quite sure what that is.
What? Is this Santa Claus?
Let's see.
That was it. You're broke. I think we're gonna die now.
Let's get
And this is the simulation of the dust storm. Not in my mouth. Oh, you're not. You're fine. Really? And I just like did my hair.
Are you filming this or not?
I am. It's all on camera.
Look. There goes Jim. There goes everything. Oh my gosh, look at everything though. Live.
Yeah, we're gonna die. Cover yourself. It's the only way to survive. See, this is so fun here because you know what? While they're here, they give you a simulation of what the Dust Bowl was. That's why this is my favorite flea market.
Yeah,
Look at that real diamond.
they give you like 20 photos.
I know. That was
Holy crap!
Holy
Big
cow.
as my hand.
Oh my goodness, look up in the air. Look.
Holy
Holy cow.
Was it?
Yeah, that was a real dust devil.
Look, it's like a,
Look, you can see it.
it's like a tornado over there.
Well, that's what a dust devil basically is a tornado without the rain.
Oh.
But it's, I mean, that was wow.
Look at that.
Survived my first tornado.
Heaven only knows what, I mean, that wasn't as bad as what some tornadoes
Right.
do, you know.
Yeah, the tornado carried away. Devil.
And
where
you steps, you've lost some stuff off the Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate it.
Oh my god, that was scary. I know.